Attorney Vic Monder. I'm making this video for military service members who are being investigated under an NCIS investigation. Oftentimes these NCIS investigations start with a source that is provided to your command, and they're following up regarding facts of the case that they can submit either to the Office of Chief Trial Counsel or back to your command to make a final decision. Oftentimes these NCIS investigations start with information that is pretty general as to what they believe the facts of the case are. And then it is their job to follow up with percipient witnesses, either military or civilian witnesses, to get a preview as to what the full facts that are alleged regarding the investigation itself. There may not necessarily be a specific article under the UCMJ that you're facing. However, with the NCIS investigation, as the investigation unfolds, then and ultimately then will there be any sort of discussion regarding the type of charge itself that you would be facing at a later point in time. Usually the fact-finding stage of the case, NCIS is that's their primary reason why they're investigating the case, and then they're going to be making recommendations as to what they believe the recommended charges should be. So depending on the scope of the investigation, who's involved in the investigation, there's ways to try and close out these investigations without it getting progressed to either your command or the Office of Chief Trial Counsel, who predominantly would handle a court-martial after or subsequent to then an NCIS investigation. So if you're facing any sort of investigation or being questioned by anybody in the military regarding any sort of potential criminal charges, feel free to give us a call. It is your obligation to contact an attorney on your own accord. They will not provide you an attorney. Oftentimes they have you fill out information saying that you waive your right to an attorney. That is definitely not something that you should do at any stage of the case. Oftentimes you are required to have your own civilian defense counsel, and you would have to pay for your civilian defense counsel to enter into the investigation phase of the case. They will not provide you with a JAG officer during the investigation side of the case. So it is often helpful for you during that entire NCIS investigation to seek outside counsel so that we can mitigate as well as try and close that investigation without any sort of significant punishment on the back end. So if you have questions about the NCIS investigation, feel free to give me a call. I'm Attorney Vic Monder. My direct line is 619-405-0063. Hope to hear from you soon.